Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the best deals that I got over at CVS this week. I was able to get all of these items completely free. So that's right, a completely free haul this week at CVS. So I want to share those deals with you. Just a couple of things that I want to tell you about before I jump straight into the deals. One, thank you so much for your support. If you are not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy the content of my videos, please give them a thumbs up and share with other people. Because y'all have been so awesome, I hit 3,000 subscribers recently, and I said that I would be doing a $20 gift card giveaway. I am, in fact, doing that this week. So all the details of that giveaway can be found in the Walgreens video that I posted earlier today. So you definitely want to check out that video if you haven't already. One, to enter the giveaway, but two, there are some awesome deals over at Walgreens this week as well. The last thing I want to tell you about, I mentioned it in like 2 weeks ago in a Walmart video about this company called GoPuff. So I just started using them. It's like an online grocery store. They have all sorts of different types of items. So I used someone's referral link to get $25 off my first purchase. So I thought it was worth trying out because I was able to snag some items that I have a hard time finding good deals on for almost nothing. So I am placing my referral link down in the video description box below, as well as on the printable Google document. If you use that link, you will get $25 off your first purchase, where you're going to be able to snag some awesome deals. So GoPuff will deliver, I think, same day. So that's not available in my area, but I was able to get my delivery like 2 or 3 days after I placed it. And so far, I have been pleasantly surprised. I haven't had any issues. So I'll show you real quick. I grabbed bleach. So I know it's not like Clorox bleach, but it's bleach. I mean, how different can it be? I don't know. I grabbed bleach. I grabbed Clorox wipes. And so in my Walgreens video, I asked everyone who was entering the giveaway to let me know an item that they buy that they rarely find a deal on. This is one of those for me, like cleaning wipes, cleaning supplies in general. I don't find as many good deals as I do like health and beauty products. So I grabbed that using that $25 credit. And then I also got aluminum foil because we use this all the time, as well as Sudafed. So as you can see, they have a lot of different types of products. They have groceries as well. But since I'm able to find great deals on groceries most of the time, I try to get things with that referral credit that I'm not able to find a great deal on in a typical week. Sudafed, for some reason, is really hard to find a great deal on. So anyway, if you want to check it out, that referral link is down in the video description box below. If you have any questions on it, just let me know and I will do my best to help you out. All right, so let's get into the CVS deals. The first deal I want to tell you about is on the Ninjamas, I would say Ninjamas, diapers. They are, well, I guess they're nighttime underwear. I'm out of this phase with my kid, so I really don't know the difference between all of them anymore. This was part of the Spend 30, get a $10 CVS cash card, which is basically just a gift card. But the deal is, spend 30, get 10. These are $9.99. So I bought 3. Now I know that that takes me just short of $30, but you'll still get that CVS cash card. So I had a $5 off any $30 baby care CRT. I had a $3 Ninjama digital coupon. And then I also had a $5 any Ninjama product that came as a mailer. And when I got that in the mail, I don't even know why I got it. Like I said, we've been out of the diaper phase for a very long time, but I saved it because $5 is a lot of money for a bag of diapers, and it said any Ninjama product. I was a little nervous it wasn't gonna work, but it worked like a charm. Okay, so those were the 3 coupons I had. I paid $16.97. I got the $10 CVS CVS cash card that will print at the end of your receipt. You do have to, I don't know why they do it this way, but you have to hand that back to them. They scan your card, they scan that, and then they activate a gift card for you, and they give you the gift card. Now, the gift card is cool. I actually like that better than the extra care bucks because you can use it in any dollar increment you want. But the deal gets better because there was an Ibotta offer for $2 back, and I was able to claim that 3 times. So I got another $6 back, making all 3 packs of diapers 97 cents. So that made it like 32 cents a pack, which was an awesome deal. Of course, that's a donation item for this house, but still at 32 cents a pack. That is just awesome, and I wanted to be able to share the deal with you all. All right, the next deal I got, and I was excited about this because it was something different. Like with CVS, I get makeup deals all the time. This Ajax, I don't get a deal on this very often. And I just randomly was looking through the CRTs on my, or the digital coupons on my CVS app. If you go to your app, you go under the deals section, you'll see a list of coupons that are there. I had one for $2 off any 2 Ajax, Palmolive, Suavitel, or Fabuloso. So right underneath that, it says shop this deal. And when you click on that, it will tell you all the products that will qualify for that coupon. And I noticed that these Ajax with bleach, they were priced at $1.09. So if you're thinking where I'm thinking, I have a $2 off too, and these suckers are basically $1 a piece. So I bought 2 for $1.09 each, making them just 9 cents each after that coupon. This isn't a product that I typically use, but for 9 cents a piece, I figured I'd find a way to clean something with it. All right, next, the makeup deals. So Covergirl. All right, so Covergirl, when I scanned my CVS card at the red machine, I got a $3 off any Covergirl cosmetic CRT. Now, you can stack CVS coupons with manufacturer coupons. So I also had a $3 off any Covergirl I purchase digital manufacturer coupon, and I had a $3 off any Covergirl I purchased that I had printed from coupons.com. Now, I don't think that coupon is available any longer, but if you happen to have the March 17th or March 7th Smart Source, that had a $2 off one coupon. So you have a couple of different options there. But I ended up buying 2 of these Ink It Covergirl eyeliners at $7.59 each. After the $3 off coupon, so I had 3 of the $3 off coupons, I paid $6.18, and I got $6 back in extra care bucks, making it just 18 cents for both of them, or 9 cents each. 9 cents and 9 cents, I guess it was a common thing that day. These also count towards Beauty Club. Remember, for every $30 you spend in beauty, you get $3 in extra care bucks back. I think with this haul, I get really, really close to getting that $3 back. So very shortly, I will be hitting Beauty Club and getting the additional $3 in extra care bucks back. The next deal I grabbed, and I grabbed this last week as well, is on the Neutrogena face wipes. These are the ones found in the cosmetics section. They are the 21 count. You'll see some that are 25 count. You want to grab the 21 count. They're priced at $7.29 each. When you buy 2, you're going to get $6 in extra care bucks back. So I bought 2 of these, $7.29 each. That's $14.58. I had a $3 off any Neutrogena face product CRT or CVS coupon. I had a $3 off any Neutrogena cosmetic digital coupon, and then I had a $3 off any Neutrogena face product that I had printed from coupons.com. I don't know if that one is still available. I don't think it is, but I still had it from when I printed it. It didn't expire until early April. So I paid $5.58 total, but I got $6 in extra care bucks back, making it free and a 42-cent moneymaker. So a great deal on those makeup wipes. Next thing I have, and I'm not sure if everyone got this. You'll have to let me know if you did. But when I opened my app, I had a digital coupon for a free hand sanitizer, and it excluded a few different brands. But this Germ-X was priced at $4.39. And since I had that free hand sanitizer clipped to my card, when I checked out, the entire $4.39 came off, making it completely free. The next deal that I grabbed, and I almost didn't do because I was going to end up paying a little bit for it, but when I checked out for the diapers, I did that in a deal all on its own, a $2 off any $12 purchase coupon spit out of the register. So that ended up making my second transaction an even better deal. I grabbed these Live Better Vitamin D tablets. They were priced at $6.29. Now, I had two different $3 off any Live Better CVS digital coupons. Okay, they both attached, so $6 came off for that. And then the $2 off 12, I went ahead and accounted for that here. That way I could show you in that printable document where it was. So if I include that $2, that makes this completely free and $1.71 moneymaker. But that 2 for $12 really kind of applied across the board on my transaction, making everything completely free. I think I came out to like -42 cents for this entire haul. The Lady Speed Stick, okay, these are buy one, get one half off. Buy two, get $2 in extra care bucks. Now, this week, we should all have gotten a $2 off any two Lady Speed Stick CRT, okay? So I bought one at $3.59. I bought one at $1.79. I had that $2 off any two Speed Stick CRT. I also had two of the 50-cent off any one Lady Speed Stick coupons from the March 14th Smart Source, so that took off another $1, making me pay $2.38, getting $2 back in extra care bucks. So I paid 38 cents for both of these, or just 19 cents each. And again, overall, it ended up being completely free, and I think like 42-cent moneymaker, but that was an amazing price. I didn't get as much as I normally do at CVS, but it was still a great week, and I was able to spend some time with my family versus being in the store longer looking for more deals. These are just the ones that made sense, and I was able to do them pretty quickly. Don't forget to check out the Walgreens video. I feel like Walgreens had the better deals this week, at least for me personally. I was able to get a ton of stuff, and I ended up making like over $12 on all of it. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. Thanks.